What's good, everybody? I just watched XG's Puppet Show. Crazy. Dope. You need to check it out. I'll put it in a link in the description. Go check out the music video. Also, go check out my reaction video to it. It's love it. We're gonna be checking out the new songs that are in their mini album. Now, the mini album has Hisonu. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Actually, let me show it. So we got Hisonu. I think that's an introduction. It's only barely 60 seconds. XG, I'm very curious about. We already know girl gang. Yeah, we already know girl gang. TGIF, thank God I'm fly. They call it cocky, I call it true. New dance, hella good. It's pretty fire. And then Puppet Show, which we definitely checked out. If you checked out, it's already a banger to me. I swear to God, they never really miss. They never really miss at all. All right, let's check out Hisonu. Is that how you say it? Oh, it's only like these words. Okay, let me check it out. Let me see how this sounds. Welcome. I wonder how it's gonna sound like. Welcome. Welcome. Okay.
Orbital Phase initiated.
Ah, ooh, it's like some ASMR shit I would listen to. Hold on, let me go sleep. This is legit what I use. I hear.
Life forms detected.
Oh shit.
Accessing.
They're accessing. Hibernation
Deactivated.
and then landing sequence initiated. Ooh, the howls. Ooh.
Landing sequence initiated.
Oh, and it goes to XG like that. Oh, wait. I do want to hear like the transition, because you know how Spotify really do be doing transitions like that. Hold up. Ooh, this reminds me like Starfield, Mass Effect, anything spacey. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why I did that. I'm just excited. All right, so XG's next. Can't wait for this. And it's gonna literally transition to Juden, who says, XG. Born with the XG beta testing. Wow. Whoa. Okay. Shut your ass up. Oh, this is so fucking badass already. Woo! Why they gotta go so hard? Hold up. Get it. Hey. Woo! Get it. Oh, it's so short. It's only a minute.
Synchronizing.
Ooh. Oh. Bro, it's only a minute 25. That's messed up. That is foul. XG. Hey, everybody know this song, cause it's hitting really nice. Girl gang. I remember somebody, I think a homie of mine said that they thought this was girl giving. I mean, yeah, I can see why it'd be girl giving, but it is girl gang. Yay. Test me. There you go. Ba. Love you, Harvey. Kill that shit. We know how it goes. That shit so good. Shit way too good. And this song, I need more XG. I need more. the scene. A 10. That was 2. That messed up. I should have done this. But I did that. Okay. I'm embarrassed. Thank God. I'm so hot to breezy. Oh yeah, I need to know how to rap it. I could rap it. I believe in myself. Oh my bad. I'm so Tahiti, hot and breezy, off the heezy, on the IGYTTT, fresh to death, my flying is blessed, like sentiment, I just witness drip is to me. Ooh la la, my ladies get that moolah, ooh la la, my ladies never cooler, all across the world, and so like. BBS got nothing on me. It's giving. And then we come back to the new dance. Get down with it, I just learned a to the party. Nobody. I'm tired. I'm getting old. See what you make me do, XG? You got me fucking breathing. I need exercise. The hell, Spotify? It don't matter. It's time I get what I deserve. Act like you don't know what I'm worth. We spend a lot of time. You already know. No, I need to learn how she said that. Ooh, the way it breaks down, it's just perfect. It's just nice. Nothing too overwhelming. Just hits. That's why I love this song right now already. Puppet. Oh, they've been saying puppet? Wait. I was gonna rap this. Do it, why? And apologize. I'm gonna by explanation with it. I'm gonna how do you say that so fast? Ha, cry me a river that you were asleep. I'm gonna do it my way. Ain't apologetic. I'm gonna cut you off like by Felicia with it. I'm a controller. Anyways, go stream it. Go support XG. Link in the description. Go get the physical album. You already know. Bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.